Been very left-hand focused so far. And as a southpaw, a lot of his effectiveness comes from up there and landing the left hook. Left straight rather. Good left.
Magandang araw mga pre, mayong adlaw po sa mga Bisaya diha. Bago natin simulan, kung bago ka pa lang napadaan sa aking munting tahanan, pasuporta naman, click mo lang subscribe button at notification bell button. Palike na rin ang video para lagi kang updated sa mga bago kong uploads. Michael Dasmariñas, o kilala sa bansag na hot and spicy, tubong kamarinisor, lumalaban sa Bantamweight Division. Maraming laban na rin ang kinasahan niya at naging IBO World Bantamweight Champion pa siya. At yan ang paksa natin sa video ito, ang unang pagkuha niya sa pandaigdigang titulo. April 20, 2018 sa bansang Singapore, nag-abot ang landas nila Michael Dasmariñas at itong kilabot na champion ng bansang France na si Karim Guerfi. Ang laban ay para sa bakanting titulo na IBO World Bantamweight title at sa laban ay dihado o underdog ang ating pambato dahil itong si Karim ay ranked number 4 sa WBC. Bit-bit ng ating pambato ang kartadang 27 wins, 2 losses, 18 dito via knockout, habang itong Frenchman ay may record din na 26 wins, 3 losses, 8 dito via KO. Sa mismong gabi ng laban ay sobrang maaksyon naman ang pinakita nila sa mga boxing fans. Unang round ay makikitang gigil agad ang dalawa, parang mga gutom na leon na gustong lapain ang isa't isa. Banatan agad ng kanilang mga mabibigat na kamao, patibayan agad ng katawan at ulo.
Now used to the weapon. Stop! And also can throw a jab and a hook so fast that I think the corner of Michael Dasmariñas is wary about that.
Yeah, already see from the start getting on the front foot, and he's cagey, he can pick shots from different angles, but he's got to be aware of the
Outside, short the distance for his left hand. Guerfi is very much aware of that, digging the right hand to the solar plexus of the Filipino fighter.
Actually, both of them, even Guerfi is trying to get that left foot outside that right foot of Dasmariñas. Very basic southpaw versus orthodox.
like we have here. But I'm a little surprised that it's Guerfi who's got the...
One thing that southpaws are typically pretty good at is getting out of the way of lead right hands. Usually the lead hand battle that determines who gains dominance. Nice combination there from Dasmariñas as he came off the rope.
But good defence as well, Mike. He had his hands right up, he caught arms there.
And that's exactly what we're seeing right now early in this fight.
Good defence, hands. Again, he's got the hands up. Dasmariñas not getting through with anything.
He's very, very focused in the head of the battle. Nice little right hand catch from Dasmariñas coming out of the clinch.
Made from the Frenchman.
He's also cutting off Dasmariñas.
Second round tuloy ang maaksyong laban. Bigayan akong bigayan, matira ang matibay sa ibabaw ng lona. At makikitang andon pa rin talaga ang gigil nila sa bawat isa.
Again, several lead right hands working upstairs and downstairs. Dasmariñas trying to set his feet, throw bombs. But something that we were looking to see in that last bout, changing the rhythm of the bout and making the other fighter adapt.
With a subtle change in the target of Dasmariñas, it's all body shots now. He's connected, I think, with about 3 out of 6.
Telling them in the corner, Dasmariñas, aim for the arms. Aim, just throw them a chest and arms, because you hit that, you just dull that speed of Guerfi.
So the left hand downstairs to the elbows and banging the elbows, the forearms and the back. Particularly when you've got a very tight defence as the Frenchman has.
That's why. Hit them arms so he can't, so you numb them.
Good digging body shot there from Guerfi. Dasmariñas coming back though.
You can do that because of his speed, because he can get his shots inside Dasmariñas and hurt him. Dasmariñas being the powerful, needs a bigger base.
He has won a lot of fights on the basis of being very busy too, being right up in your face, and that.
But it's the opposite way around. It's Guerfi that looks like he wants to do that.
Notice how Dasmariñas is now moving to his left rather than his right, which means Guerfi has changed his natural path.
Third round tuloy ang basagan ng mukha. Di mo makikitang nanghihina ang dalawa. Andun pa rin ang bilis at lakas nila. Patuloy na nakikipagsabayan sa mga suntok na binibigay. Talagang gustong makuha ang titulo na matagal nang pinakahihintay.
Dasmariñas maybe dropped too much weight. It's very, it's very technical, but it's very important, the weight making process.
I love the busy Frenchman just attacking.
Use those skills that he tends to show from the outside.
I think Dasmariñas is surprised by this, isn't he? I don't think he expected this sort of fight. I think he's going to have it more his own way.
Yes.
Dasmariñas falling it into the trenches, once again drifting to his left, in which case it needs to move a lot wider and not shoot. Brief pause in action. And the Frenchman is just on him. All over him like a fat kid on a cupcake right now.
Non-stop punching by Guerfi. But then I think that's where they're going to go.
A lot of body work from Dasmariñas. He is doing what Glenn McQuarrie suggested, banging away at the body, banging the elbows, the shoulders and the triceps. But it's also being returned in kind. That was a very low shot. A lot of his effectiveness comes from that right hand, leading with the right hook there and landing the left hook. Left straight rather.
Good left hook to the head of
The crowd well lubricated ringside.
Fourth round, sa gitna ng palitan nila ng mga kamao, nasa pool ng isang solidong pitik na kamao itong Frenchman na tumama sa mukha ng saktong-sakto at bagsak ito.
Foot.
Sinubukan pang tumayo pero wala na. Di na magawang makaabot pa sa bilang kaya tinigil na agad ng referee ang nasabing bakbakan. Panalo ang ating pambato dito na si Michael Dasmariñas a.k.a. Hot and Spicy via 4th round KO at nakuha ang bakanting titulo.
right on the point of the chin.
From the Philippines, Michael, gloves on fire, Dasmariñas.
So just to put everything in perspective, gentlemen, Guerfi was ranked number 4 in the world and Dasmariñas was ranked number 12 by the WBC.
Sa interview ay sinabi ni Dasmariñas na mas gusto daw niyang tawagin siyang underdog sa laban para wala daw pressure sa kanyang isipan. Alam na daw niya na kaya niyang patumbahin itong champion na Frenchman pero nasorpresa lang daw siya na ganun lang kadali itong natumba. Sa paparating na laban niya kontra sa The Monster ng Japan na si Naoya, underdog na naman siya dito pero sa palagay mo kaya niyang patumbahin ito at mamarkahan ang malinis na kartada nito? Ang inyong komento, reaction at suggestion ay welcome na welcome sa baba. Bisitahin nyo rin ang YouTube channel ng mga kaibigan ko mga pre na sina Philippine Sport History, Boy Astig PH, Usapang Sports at John Boxing TV. Gumagawa din sila ng mga video na siguradong magugustuhan ninyo. Maraming salamat sa panonood at suporta mga pre. As always, amping permi.